So,
what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel.
that is right. And today, we're on the quest to find the best chicken and waffles every single city we go to. But the funniest thing is, we've never tried chicken and waffles in the city we live in. And that being said, let's scroll a little bit. Vámonos. We have our cousin from Puerto Rico in town. Say what's up. Hola.
Hola.
Hola. So we went to Chicago's Chicken and Waffles. Okay, let's see what we got. Smells good, right?
Yeah, it does.
Smells good. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can get them that. Oh, I don't want to drop it. Don't want to drop it. So, we're going to enjoy this. Give you guys our best impression.
What is the name of the place?
Chicago's Chicken and Waffle. It was on 39th and Martin Luther King Drive. Easy to access, nice. They had pictures of the people who got killed unjustly, like on the tables. It was really nice. I would highly suggest them just to support black businesses. But that being said, we're gonna give this a try and we're gonna keep you guys updated. So
Buen provecho. We're gonna record that first bite.
okay. So we're gonna all take the first bite together. Okay. So right now we're prepping it. We're cutting our waffles up,
You gonna cut my waffle? I remember when I was a little girl and I used to play dumb so my mom could just cut my waffle.
Yeah, these plastic forks, they aren't too helpful. Okay. I'm over here hacking away with this plastic. Trying my best. Okay, so what are we trying first? The waffles, the chicken?
We're trying the waffle with the chicken.
Okay.
Coli, pero métale siro y mantequilla.
Tú me das un poquito de tu mantequilla.
Wow, she didn't put butter on hers yet.
I know.
Gosh. Ay, mío. She's doing the slow.
Tira la cara para acá.
Okay. Okay, she put a little butter
por
too.
mí. Yo hago ahí por mí.
See.
Oh.
Ooh. She's going
Dame
heavy.
mantequilla, por
She's
favor.
going a little heavy with
The butter.
Yeah.
Dulce
Okay.
mantequilla. Ay, no.
And now she dropped her knife.
Oh my
in
God.
the sand. So now her fingers are gonna be sticky the whole time. Yeah. Okay. We're getting close.
Okay.
Okay. We're so ready.
Ya.
We're still waiting for her.
Ya.
Pero tienen que agarrar un canto de carne también. Tienen que cogerlo con carne.
Okay.
Ok, pero yo quiero probar primero el waffle solo.
Okay.
Una,
Estamos listas.
dos,
Yeah.
Sí.
tres.
Okay.
Qué rico. No lo he probado con pollo.
Pero ahora con el cabrón pollo.
Sabe rico.
Spanish speakers, I'm sorry.
Waffle está bien malo.
So, where do you place this at? Is it better than
Nothing.
Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles in California?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
But I still don't find somebody that will make me change my mind. St. Louis, hands down.
Yeah, St. Louis.
Best. Still the top one.
St.
I always
Louis.
say the same thing. And I'm open-minded. I'm open to new choices. But it's just like nothing just gives me that
Okay.
feeling of, oh my God.
So I'm gonna support this place more, but St. Louis has some pretty good chicken and waffles. That's some pretty good chicken and waffles.
That shit was amazing. It was a religious experience.
Then we took a nap,
Chicken was
too.
like well seasoned, kind of spicy, but not a lot. Them waffles were like handmade.
Maybe you need to take
dope.
more bites of this chicken and just give it a fair, evaluation. Okay.
It's good, but I think it was just the seasoning on the other chicken. Cause that one back there was spicy.
Esta es la combinación más rara que he probado.
De verdad que sí, pero sabe bueno.
¿Te gusta? ¿No? Tu papilas gustativas están como que...
Somebody smell like butter.
Yo le metí desde luego. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Que no parece mantequilla? ¿Qué dijo?
Alguien huele a mantequilla.
Ah,
De casa que huele a mantequilla en el pie.
mi mamá está muy
What about you? What do you think?
I think this is definitely better than Roscoe's
No,
chicken.
everything is better than that.
Yeah. Roscoe chicken waffles was like the biggest appetizer I've ever seen. Like it was so small. It was nothing special. I don't know. Maybe I'm being disrespectful. Maybe I ordered the wrong thing.
Nah, but we been to places. I mean, this is like the third one. But we've been to places when we asked a thigh and a leg and a thigh. And oh my God, they literally like it's on video. Like they literally gave us small ass leg and a thigh. Like it was just not worth it. And sad ass waffle. And it's just like it's just not worth it because. You know the menus when you ask for a leg and a thigh, this is what you get.
Yeah.
The meal, and it's just maybe you needed to be more specific.
Maybe people in California on diets or something.
And the price, I'm sorry, I'm a chicken waffle. The price.
Yeah.
We figured that it was gonna be like a decent sized meal. I know calories and stuff, but you know a decent sized meal. A goddamn pigeon wing. Hey, fine.
It's good.
Opinión de Deca.
Pensé que no me iba a gustar.
Nicole, que no quiere salir en cámara.
Sigue siendo la combinación más rara que he probado.
Yo pensé que no me iba a gustar.
Pero no sabe mal. O sea,
Okay, so everybody's wrapping up.
I'm not wrapping.
It's good? It's good?
I'm not wrapping up.
Yeah, she just got started, it looks like. Ella come
Lento.
lento más despacito, like very slow.
No. Ella come lento.
Oh, ella come lento.
o bien lento.
Yeah. Very lento.
Mi mantequilla.
Is it good? So, that being said, the results are what they are, guys. It's very good, very solid. I would definitely support them again and again and again. Yeah. If you want Chicago, South Side, West Side, I think they got one in Oak Park location. And then the other one is in Bronzeville. So stop by, check them out. Until next time, have a good one. Peace.